Good morning, beautiful humans. Before you scroll, before you doubt yourself, before the world starts telling you who to be, let's pause. Take one breath with me. Just one, please. Today is not about doing everything. It's pre-Friday. It's about watering the right things. Water your peace. Water your discipline. Water kindness. Water that tiny brave voice that says, try again. You don't need a whole new life this morning. You just need one intentional step, one healthy choice, one honest boundary, one encouraging word. Even if it's to remember what we water grows. So if you want confidence, if you want healing, if you want momentum, honestly, consistency, even if it's small, you are not behind. You are becoming. Now go move your body, drink your water, send the message, start the thing, or rest. Whatever you choose, it's on purpose. Let's grow something good today, guys. Let's grow. Amen.